Starting with a new patient, we double-click the appointment slot that is needed under the required consultant. Now, all you need to enter is the name, phone number, and purpose of the appointment. And also to mention that all the fields with asterisk are mandatory. Now you click on Save to create the appointment. Now here, if the patient wants, you can choose to send a link to make an online payment. Now that the patient that is not registered has formed an appointment, we need to register the patient. Now we have successfully registered the patient. Now, to create a new appointment for a registered patient, we just search the patient, and once the patient is selected, you just double click on a time slot under the required doctor, and the appointment is created. The other way is by selecting a registered patient and single clicking on the time slot that is required. Now we fill in the details such as purpose, which can be consultation, hydrofacial, etc. And each purpose has a user-defined default duration, like consultation, which has 30 minutes. And then the status, which is by default unconfirmed and can be confirmed standby or waiting list. And then any equipment if required, and the respective room if required. The appointment can also be selected so that it can be repeated daily, weekly, or monthly. And we can choose the number of times, like 3 times, like that. And then you can fill the fees to get the link to pay in advance. And the appointment is now created. Now, once the appointment is created, you can also edit the appointment to make any changes by clicking here and then edit appointments. And you can save the changes then. That's it. Okay, last but not the least, you can also, if you want to change the date for the appointment, you can easily just drag the appointment under another doctor to another time slot at any date. If you want to change the appointment to another date, you can just click on the doctor's option and multiple days, and then just drag this the same way to another date under the correct time slot. And that is how you can create and edit appointments with ease.